Do you feel like you don't know what to do next? Is it like you are in the middle of the clouds and you miss clarity? You don't know where it takes you, what is happening around you? Then you're exactly right. Breathe in. Feel yourself and breathe out. Let go. Just be there and observe. Observe your breath. If you learn anything with me today, then one thing. Observe what is happening in you right now. Just trust. You can't blow the clouds away, control the birds remotely, like a remote controlled automobile. So relax, let go, and trust. How is your breath flowing now? In and out. Trust. Everything in life happens at exactly the perfect time. Namaste.